Shing.
Okay,
This might
hear me
sound
out.
weird,
Let's
but
not
no.
ban Skyscraper. Like, literally, like, I would love the change. Like, let's ban, like, Bank. I'm tired of fucking playing on, like, Bank Clubhouse, and they're gonna... Please, Skyscraper. Oregon, too. I'm tired of it. It's just those 3 fucking maps over and over and over again! Get off my chicken sandwich, cat! I'll shit on you. It's a fucking war offense. Okay, guys, I'm gonna hold master.
Did you know
Y'all
in
Christian, you got the
Mississippi,
bandit trick.
Yep.
it is illegal to fuck goats?
Depends
Really?
on the state.
Just in Mississippi. Like,
Damn
it's
it.
legal everywhere else, but in Mississippi you can't fuck a goat.
Well, I guess I'm never moving to Mississippi.
Jacob just got clapped.
Main
Where?
hall is wide
I
open.
got, literally across the entire map from that window, John.
I'm not even gonna fight that.
Yeah, don't even.
Got Ash, I think.
Erectile dysfunction?
Oh, you're not even ready for this. No, that's a bad idea. Wait a minute.
You got
They're gonna
411?
breach. They're gonna breach. Server.
Holy shit.
God,
Hey,
no
one in office.
Office
Looks to
dead.
be...
They're done.
Stairs, the stairs. Now in hall.
Hall.
Hall. To left. To left. Probably in that room. Gym. Gym.
Bathroom.
There you go.
Nice cock.
Nice cock. Hey, Peter.
Hey,
Nice cock.
nice cock.
Yes, Peter. I have a fat ass.
His name is. Oh, I'm a fat bitch. This isn't fair. I was eating my sandwich. I guess it's kind of. They were like, this motherfucker's eating a sandwich instead of playing my game. Let's make him a fat whore. Because that's what he is.
Honestly, though.
I kind of want a nut in Thermite's goggles.
Me too.
Come vision.
Oh, out the window! Oh my god!
Then you got fucking Christian staring at a bush or some grass and some foliage. Now he's twirling
Yeah,
like
they're
a
upstairs.
princess. Staring at the sky. He's jumping now.
Jaeger, Cade, Capkin.
Two bottom left of the
Hey,
Sorry,
if
I
you
hit you.
throw a grenade through the nobody has a grenade.
Whoa, I was shot.
Can you breach this wall, Teach? Oh,
Nope.
no, he cannot.
Jim.
Wait.
If you wanna be my lover.
Gotta get with my friends. Wait.
Friendship lasts forever.
Until you fuck my hand.
So, tell me what you want, what you really want.
I'll tell you what I want, what I really want. I wanna,
We can stop.
I wanna really, you don't know about it.
Still gonna let you in, Christian.
Why does Habana have the hottest neck on the planet, though? Temperature-wise. Like, you touch it and you're just like...
She's close to the equator.
Equator.
I'm pretty sure Japan's similar temper to us in the Northwest.
I was just joking.
Yeah, TJ, why are you so awesome and hot and cute? Mm.
They have Wamai, they have a Cade, a Jaeger.
Christian, why do you have autism?
Because I do.
This nigga's over here
Because-
breaking beer bottles.
This guy?
Now he's staring at a dude's dick.
This guy is like, that's modern art right there, you know?
What, the AK-74U from Call of Duty Black Ops Cold War?
That was the gayest thing I think I've ever heard you say.
Well, no.
No, he can say gayer stuff. And
No, what's even more gay?
me.
The fact that you're 2 and 3 on the scoreboard.
Fuck. TJ, yesterday.
Fucking
am I-
stupid 8 is peeing!
2 and 4. 2 and
Sorry,
4.
2 and 4.
There's a Jaeger trap right here.
Jaeger's
Captain
in,
here.
on rafters.
Where is he? Oh fuck! I was just standing there on my drone like
Who's the
that.
captain?
Fuck! Why didn't you say anything?
What the fuck?
Oh, I didn't realize that.
I was just standing in front of your thermite hole
Construction.
on my drone.
I'm pushing.
Last one's cash.
Go.
Don't plant. Fuck me. We don't talk about that.
Honestly, we
Don't
should.
open that.
Oof. Oh my god.
Oofta.
I'm not hacking, I promise.
Look at that sexy pixelated ass.
I think Tomb Raider Ash with the fucking triangle titties is better than that one.
What the fuck was that sound?
Yeah, no food, bro. Yo, who put Michael Jackson in the freezer? How the hell does that even come to your head?
Bum bum.
I'm
bum,
gonna
bum.
play Twitch.
No, you're not.
You gotta have all elites, bro. Come on, TJ.
Cream cheese on a fiddle, bitch.
Come on, TJ. TJ!
Cream cheese on a fiddle.
That's a team kill.
No, he just wants to shoot
No.
my drone.
I was actually going, and I was gonna play Habana, and then I was like, I'll play Cali, and then I didn't get the Cali in time. So I'm sorry.
It's okay, I love you.
You're a piece of cow shit.
Yeah.
But not like fresh cow shit, but like cow shit that's already been like collected and turned into manure growing flowers. So you're useful cow shit, but still cow shit.
Thank you.
Does he produce shrooms?
Depends on what the people who bought him are growing. There's a vigil.
Where is Christian? Bump,
There's also a
bump, bump.
Jaeger.
Dun, 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 dun,
Christian
dun,
is
dun, dun, dun,
deceased?
dun,
Oh,
dun,
no.
dun, dun,
No,
dun,
he
dun,
is
dun, dun,
out.
dun, 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 dun. I'm not even gonna shoot your drone. Kumbaya, my lord.
No, no, man.
No, Maya.
I'll let you in.
Rapid fire.
Get it, Christian. Christian!
I'm putting
I got
Claymore.
You don't need a claymore.
No.
Oh!
Yeah, I can't. Did you shoot my fucking?
I
Bro?
did accidentally.
I got it and I killed somebody. So like, there. There's no need to be upsetting now.
I apologize, DJ. That's 100% my bad.
What was that Jaeger's goal?
To kill you.
You messed up.
Oh!
Pop. Damn. Damn.
Man. What's it like having a 3.0 or a 3 times zoom on a fucking shotgun?
Shotgun.
Watch, he's gonna do it on defense too somehow.
And it's on the stairs. Again.
What happened?
That's why I said, oh, because I fucking seen it the first time.
Oh my god.
Yo, dudes, Fox Principalis is pretty chill. Maybe you could like and subscribe.